Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse where we break down the most premium gear in the game. Today, we're reviewing a keyboard that blends wireless freedom, sleek design, and esports level responsiveness, the Logitech G915 TKL Lightspeed wireless mechanical gaming keyboard, featuring tactile low-profile switches. This board is a top-tier option for gamers and pros alike who want performance, portability, and a refined desk setup. Let's get into the details. First, that Tenkeyless layout. It gives you more space for sweeping mouse movements while maintaining all the critical keys for gaming, productivity, and editing. It's lightweight, portable, and travel-friendly, perfect for LAN parties or clean minimalist setups. Under the hood, you've got Logitech's Lightspeed wireless technology offering a 1 millisecond response time that's virtually indistinguishable from wired. Whether you're in a tournament or editing video, it delivers rock-solid, low-latency performance. And with Bluetooth support, you can switch seamlessly between multiple devices, perfect for productivity on the go. Typing on the tactile low-profile mechanical switches is incredibly satisfying. You get a subtle, responsive bump with every keystroke, ideal for those who want feedback without the loud click. The slim profile also reduces fatigue during long sessions. The build is all premium. A brushed aluminum magnesium alloy top plate gives it durability without bulk, and the dedicated media controls and volume wheel are a huge bonus for quick audio tweaks mid-game or during work. You'll also love the Lightsync RGB lighting, fully customizable through Logitech G Hub, with effects that sync across your entire Logitech setup. And battery life, it lasts up to 40 hours on a single charge with full lighting and charges fast via micro USB. So whether you're gaming, editing, or typing all day, the Logitech G915 TKL brings wireless precision, premium materials, and a pro-level tactile experience. Click the link below to get yours now, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. Gadgetverse brings you 20 next-gen reviews every single day.